Hi guys, I'm gonna be trying for you the Temu haul. Stay tuned, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and let's get on with it. Lovelies, a quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing here this blue black jumper I had for so many years, bought from River Island, and I never get rid of it. I mean, I love, and it's like a scuba material. And the jegging, sort of a denim, is from Primark many seasons ago. All of us in my department bought it. So here I'm trying on this lovely Temu, I mean, long length, wide leg, high waisted jeans. You can see the jacket as well. Just saying something about me having to lose weight. Guys, I have to say, I absolutely loved it. These are one of the best jeans I had for a long time. Okay. I mean, I put weight on, and I believe when I lose 5 kgs, it was just gonna look amazing. It's, even right now, I think it's very flattering, very nice, and I'm wearing with a crop top, which is not like adding to the, you know, it's not helping because obviously my stomach is like sticking out and all of that. But you guys get the gist. It's very nice, very stretchy. I mean, very comfortable for £17. I am static, really. I'm very happy. I actually gonna look around for more denim because I need the wide leg ones, like really like the low rise ones. Yeah, but so far so good. I like this one here. I'm gonna try to pair it up with the Muse that I bought from them as well. On the high heels, the Muse, guys, these are fabulous. Okay, fabulous. Let me just have a look once again. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Oops. Very nice. Let's try this on, shall we? They're very high. I'm going to change the camera around because I want to get the angles right. You guys will see here. Yeah. So that's the look, guys. And also the satin jacket, it says high maintenance. Is absolutely cool. I mean, loved it. It looks amazing. And I chose the size extra large because, like Chinese sizes are not to be trusted.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and
So I am wearing the cargos like this. I pair that with these hoodies because if I wear high heels with these, it's too short. I wish it was much longer, but with the pair of trainers, or I don't know. Just sad that it's not long enough. Kind of does the thing, guys. I'm not gonna carry on talking about my weight right now. Look at this. I can actually make this top. Like a piece of fabric and join them together. Right, I don't even know how the back looks like. Oh gosh, let's fix the fat at the back. How am I looking? I've got a size large. These shoes are fire. Hello. I literally had to squeeze my arms, like squeeze, like
You know when you're going to get like blood pressure thing, for the first time I did that because of all the problems that, you know, I just want to get myself checked out, and I never done it. Like suction, it sucks. It sucks. It feels like this right now. Oh my god, what's going on in the back? Hello.
So going back to the jacket, I just want to show you guys this jacket. The jacket is absolutely fantastic. This is a size extra large, guys, and you can pair this up with the high-waisted jeans or over these, like, you know, that body thing, and you still look good if you don't want to show your tummy. So I'm very busty, so that's why it's a bit bulky up there, but nevertheless the color is fire, and I think it's a good look. I mean, you know, as you guys can see here, you know, I'm happy with my purchase. Really, the only one that I can say that kind of sort of I'm a bit disappointed is the cargo pants that is short, like, you know, even though I'm like 5'4", 5'4", you can see the length of it. Yeah, but we can work with it, and yeah guys, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and smash the like button and press the notification button so YouTube can notify you when I upload new videos.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
To the glasses, guys, the sunglasses are fire. I was forgetting this one here, guys. I haven't tried it. I tried it in my first video. Go ahead and watch my first video, guys. So this is the glass cases. Very compact, steady. I mean, these sunglasses are fire. I love the color. I was a bit skeptical. I wanted to think red, but it had sold out. They've got white as well. I think sold out the white as well. But I just thought, well, I'll just give a shot, try the blue one, and just to see if I like it. But guys, I'm not mad. Like it very much for £2 something, you know. It's very steady, no like flimsy at all. You know, the inside is how you see there, it's like hollow, like, you know, but it's steady, and you definitely gonna support an impact. Like if you drop or something, it's not gonna break. All right, my friends. And it comes also with a cloth so you can wipe this clean. And yeah, and for the kitchen items I found is this item here is a pot holder, like hot pot holder, because you know you don't want to place like on the table directly or any surface. So yeah, I'm showing you the item. It comes like that, and it just assembled together, and it looks the way it shows there. All right, also quite cheap as well. I mean, it's steady. It's not like crap. It's great. I mean, I like it. If you have got like big family, you could very easily buy a few. You know, if you cook a lot and stuff.
Quite a lot of potent light. The light is very bright, guys. Very happy, pleased with this item here, and I think it was £9. So yeah, and that's the utensil, like, you know, whatever, the table base hot plate type of, not plate, hot pan holder, and that's another item that I bought for me to help me film. So yeah, oops, very bright, guys, very, very bright.
The light is great. I bought it so I can record my videos and I'll have a brighter light. But yeah, oh, before we go,
So those are the shoes. I've been close. Very high, guys, but the platform is huge, so you are good. yeah, those are them. It hasn't got no label or anything. I don't want to show my nails, guys. I'm minging, but these are how high they are, and they come in the dust bag as well, in a box, in the plastic. You know, it hasn't got a label. All right, my friends. See you in the next one. Bye.